Hi, I'm Aaron. This is Wealthbringer's first and hopefully not last stock and crypto update. All investment risk is the investor's risk alone. The ideas I talk about here are not investment advice. Anything can go down in value at any time, and you'd be a crazy lunatic to take these ramblings of a madman as investment advice. Before we begin, please hit the like and subscribe buttons for your free metaphorical pot of gold, because that's what I will be giving you here at Wealthbringer. In stocks, I've been looking at Alibaba, BABA. Though their chart is looking flat, they're a huge player in all markets, retail and wholesale in China, and thus the world. They're basically the Amazon of China. I do believe they're looking pretty favorable at this moment based on revenues. I mean, look at these revenues. 250 billion, 500 billion, 700 billion. That's in yuan or won. Sorry, I can't pronounce it, but 700 billion of those is still 100 billion US. And it's going up and up and up. Now that's the point. Now I know China is politically controversial, but people are going to keep buying things from China because China makes everything that everyone around the world buys. And Alibaba is on top of that. So we have 3-week covered calls on AMD. If you're writing on AMD, 2 and 3-week premiums are all looking really good right now. Great paydays there. The at the money strike prices are looking great. You're looking at getting paid around $4 a unit or $400 a contract. That's a great premium. I'd stay right around the money, maybe a little out of the money to catch a possible rise of the stock. But October might stay a little flat before the holiday rise. If you don't know how to write covered calls, I'm going to do a video on that soon. You can also check out my AMD profile video in which I discuss an overview of the concept of covered calls. In other covered call monies, Pinterest, Pins is a bargain. You can get 100 shares of Pinterest for $5,000, which is a great covered call right now. 3-week October 29 strikes are going to pay you $300 or more premiums worth of a strike price right at the money. Now, remember, when you're writing covered calls on stocks that are not in the Dow or don't have a dividend, the prices can swing a lot and go down, so you might want to write in the money covered calls to protect against downward movement. The strike price is a little lower, you sell the stock at a slight loss, but you get higher premiums paid to you to offset that loss. Also be careful to check the earnings date when writing covered calls, as that can cause sudden price changes. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Any videos you want me to do tutorials on, put them in the comments. Anything you want explained, put it in the comments. All right. Looking now into crypto and the gaming world, yesterday was the big launch of the Neo Tokyo Codes project, which caught the crypto gaming world by storm in a puzzling panic frenzy. This is Elio Trades and Alex Becker's project known as the Citadel and their Neo Tokyo Codes website. This was a very cryptic, nice word, huh? Cryptic, crypto, a very cryptic NFT drop that thousands attempted to get in on based on hints and riddles and clues that were given by the creators on their social accounts. Now around 2,000 were dropped, and these are apparently codes for player attributes within a future game, possibly in this new metaverse called the Citadel. It's a secret. At least to me it's a secret. If you're more savvy than me, tell me in the comments how this works. Anyways, the ETH floor on these at OpenSea is now around 10 or 11 ETH within a day. So it's pretty bonkers. It's a pretty crazy big drop that's becoming high profile. Now, if you got one for free, you're in good shape. Remember though, this world is still all hype and FOMO, but I think the team behind these are pretty intelligent guys with a good master plan. So if you have the bucks laying around, it might be a ground floor opportunity, but be prepared to lay out several ETH. That's probably upwards of 10,000 US dollars to grab one of these things. There's a staking project going on with Elrond or EGLD that claims a 10,000% APY, at least initially. Seems pretty outrageous, but these experiments are all in the making. Now that's going on at the Maiar Exchange. I don't know how to say that. I'm currently liquidity and strike testing the free test tokens that they give you. Now you can go to docs.maiar.exchange, how to test, to give that a shot. The release date is later this month. The link is in the description. Also in the description is a link to $10 of free Bitcoin or free stock worth up to $200 if you sign up through those links below. Now, if you're into retro gaming, I also thought that Spaceport.to looks fun. It's a classic style arcade game like Galaga or Space Invaders that's play to earn. That is, you collect tokens passively by playing it. The token for it, SPU, will be on PancakeSwap tomorrow, running on the Binance chain. Honestly, it's a pretty dorky little game and it's ultra retro. I played it for a few minutes, but I can't imagine playing it for very long to actually earn any money. Maybe if you have a toddler, put $1,000 worth of SPU in there and let him play it all day. Put that 3-year-old to work earning money. I want him sitting around the house for his whole life. On the other hand, this one looks truly epic. Phantom Galaxies, great open world space environment with massive Transformers-like action. You can also sign up for a free NFT by connecting your wallet to their site. It says connect your wallet to qualify for our first free NFT airdrop. So that looks like a pretty easy drop. Wait for updates on this one and sign up for the free airdrop. Now don't forget here, I have two different philosophies that I follow for crypto and stocks. In stocks, we go for quality and proof and a company with a track record. We buy and trade things that are solid and stable. Crypto is still developing as an asset class, and thus it is a crapshoot. So in crypto, we have to be a bit of a degenerate gambler just to be in the space. So we may as well go for the volcanic, earth-shattering gains. Having said that, we still want to find quality teams and quality projects that have the best chance of actually breaking out and succeeding. What we are looking for is the new baby gems before influencers and celebrities are buying and tweeting them. We then take our parabolic crypto gains and invest them in sound stocks and do our income strategies such as covered calls, leaps, options, and so on. The Dow can do weird stuff in October. There might be a pullback. We can expect to see volatility in the month of October. September was volatile as well and tends to be a bad month also. But coming up to the fourth quarter, we're coming up to the holiday season market, which is traditionally a bull market in stocks. Due to, well, everything, worldwide consumption and buying frenzy, we usually see upward movements in the Dow and the S&P. And it seems maybe lately that Bitcoin is trending along with all this in general. And when Bitcoin is bullish, altcoins tend to be bullish. Now, most crypto analysts in the space seem to think we're going to have a bull run in crypto coming up here. But I think gaming cryptos, which are growing in excitement and popularity, will probably eventually take off on their own and kind of decouple from the Bitcoin space and the general market space because of the individual intrinsic value of the gaming industry and the utility it provides to its users. This channel is for people bringing wealth into their lives at all levels of experience. If there are any terms or any lingo you don't understand, please ask for clarification in the comments. Tell me what you want me to do a video on as an explanation or tutorial. There are no stupid questions, except maybe, is my butt green? That's a stupid question. No, I'm not a leprechaun. My butt is not green. I wish I could just give you a real pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, but I'll just have to do so metaphorically and let you turn it into real gold with your actions. My goal is to make wealth bringing accessible to all and to decode this stuff for you. This is not meant to be an elitist report. This is meant to help you gain your wealth. This has been the Wealthbringer stock and crypto update for today. Please crash and bash the like and subscribe button until it turns into gold. Alchemy. Wealth is a game. Let's get to level 10. Have a rich day.